It is the rule of a creator when he wants something from his creature. He selected some special people from the society as a gift for that particular nation. Our creator Allah gave Muslims of India a gift in the form of Allama Iqbal, who saw a dream for a separate homeland. This is the only state in this world that had some ideology. Its ideology is not based on color, creed or any language. Its ideology is based on the name of Almighty Allah and His Prophet, peace be upon him. Now the struggle starts. Muslims of India became united under the leadership of this man, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of the state. The fire of independence has raised in the hearts and minds of the Muslims of India. They started sacrificing their lives and their properties for just getting a separate homeland. And because of their sacrifices, we at last got a separate homeland called as Pakistan on 14th August 1947. Man, woman, youth of Pakistan were found saying Pakistan ka matlab kya, la ilaha illallah. The work has not been done, ladies and gentlemen. Our enemy didn't accept Pakistan from in her heart. When Pakistan was trying to establish itself, a trouble suddenly came. Our enemy attacked on us in 1965. Our enemy thought that this newly born state couldn't stand on its foot. But the whole world saw that a nation with limited resources stood like a rock in front of the enemy and shown a great example of unity and faith. Alam destroyed 6 fighter airplanes in just 30 seconds, which is still a world record in the history of the world. This war has proven when anyone tried to suppress our voice, he or she failed, and we become a courageous nation after every trouble and examination. Another milestone that we have achieved in 1998, we become a nuclear power. First nuclear power among Muslim nations and 7th nuclear power in the world. Thanks to Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan and his team that made impossible possible. But after 6 years, a disastrous earthquake hit in northern areas of Pakistan. Many people were killed. It was another test of the nation. Man, woman, young, old responded excellently and helped those people who were suffering from that disaster. And we at last got rid of that disaster as well. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know very well, that after 9/11, a war was imposed in different parts of the country. The war was so-called war on terrorism. When there were suicide attacks, terrorist attacks, an amazing sign came from nowhere. We won the T20 World Cup in England. Man, women, especially the youth of Pakistan came on the streets, celebrated the day. It was an awesome day. In fact, it was a memorable day of my life as well. So this was the past. Past was a period that has gone. Now looking at the future, inshallah the future of Pakistan will be great. We will have to do a lot of work in the field of technology. And after this, we will be marching on the moon. Yes, this is the future destination of Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, you might be laughing by seeing this picture, but this is what I believe. Yes, I accept there are some weaknesses in our nation, but believe me, we just need a true, intelligent and a patriotic leader that will change the course of the history. Now, I would like to conclude all this by saying these words. We are a Muslim nation, nuclear power, 170 millions. We are not Iraq, we are not Afghanistan. We will fight back and fight back hard. We want to live with dignity, and inshallah the time will come that we will die with the honor. Pakistan, Zindabad, Pakistan, Zindabad.